Guys, it's time to cook with the pros, and this edition is brought to you by the folks at Grace Jerk Seasoning. Grace Jerk Seasoning, that's Jamaican, right? I have an Asian chef in the building. Myles Marbella is back.
I'm back.
Welcome back.
It's good to be back.
Do you know that guy?
Yeah, from this show, I can't remember.
He's a super celebrity now.
I heard. It's nice to meet you. What's your name?
It's Rome.
Jerome Precilla is in the building. Jerome is still hungry, and Myles is going to use this jerk seasoning. Do you use jerk seasoning?
I really don't. I haven't cooked anything like Jamaican side of the culinary industry.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is actually the first one. So let me do a little twist to it. So I have decided that I'm gonna be making jerk beef kofta kebab.
Whoa.
Alongside with our avocado, plantain relish. And it's gonna be topped with jerk ranch. Mm-hmm. I hope you're hungry though.
I'm starving.
We told him to come hungry.
Okay, good. Yeah. And so I'll be using this.
So the kofta Myles is a Lebanese beef.
Yeah, so kofta means like it's ground beef kebab.
Right. Yeah.
So yeah.
All right, let's go. Let's get cracking. I see you have some onions chopped up there.
Right. Okay. Cool. So so we have the beef here, right? So I just basically rough chop the onion. So we're just gonna put it here, right? Then what I have here is like this what we call mild seasoning. Yeah.
Mild seasoning.
Which you could actually find at trinitcooks.com.
Yeah.
Right? So I'm gonna be putting a touch of mild seasoning.
Right.
You don't do like.
No. I want to be original,
okay,
you know. So
Yeah.
yeah. Right. And I'm gonna be putting like. Oh my gosh.
It's hot.
Smells so good.
Yeah.
Like just a touch of love, not so much, right? Yeah, not so much.
That's a touch.
That's a touch.
How spicy is it?
It's a bit hot, yeah. Then just a touch of salt and black pepper there, right? So basically, you just want to like mix this up and everything. So tell us, Rome, while I'm making this, tell me something about a nice story.
He had a lot of stories that he has to tell us, and he's been telling us whole night.
Okay.
Yeah.
So first off, it's about the show that you don't know the name of.
Oh my gosh.
The name of the show is called Girls Cruise.
Okay.
It's on VH1.
Is it showing already?
Yeah, it started showing.
Yeah, it's about 3 or 4 episodes in.
3 or 4 episodes.
Whoa.
You gotta catch up, Myles.
Yeah, they gotta get
Man.
Yeah.
I only see it on Facebook.
So it's like with US celebrities, we have Lil Kim, we
cool.
have Maya, we have Chili, some girls from MTV Wildin' Out. So,
Okay.
Yeah, it's about a girls trip. You ever went on a girls trip?
Yeah, I have. We went somewhere.
Yeah, don't tell us about that, no. That's no nice.
Okay, so
Work on those koftas for me, please.
Alright. So I mean, it smells really good.
Yes.
Right. So basically,
I can smell the jerk from here.
it's
smells
very
good. It smells good.
it's very nice. Right. So you see like how you're just making like a burger patty.
Right.
Right. Now with kefta kebabs is basically like you're just gonna be doing it in a skewer.
Wow.
Right? So in Lebanon, right, they like to eat this with pita bread, right? So what I like to do is like, okay, so now that is in the kebab, so they will just put it in the grill or something like that. Great. So it's gonna be like this. Now what I like to do, you wanna put this away?
I could.
And you could probably get the napkin for me.
You have some freezing.
So I actually prepared something earlier on to show you the almost finished product. So I like to cling it, right? So it will have like this perfect form of, like it's like a corn dog.
All right.
So this is ready to go on the grill, right? So just shower it with with olive oil, right? Now, I mean, of course, it's a twist. It's a Myles twist, right?
Yes.
So we're gonna put in, we're gonna pan fry it.
How long would it have stayed in the
No, it's just, you just want to like put it, like for 2 minutes,
Right,
because you just wanna form a crust. And, okay, let me just show you.
Yes, yeah.
Right, so it's gonna be like this. Look how amazing this is.
Yeah. Okay, got you.
Yeah, right? Touch it.
It's like a...
It's really like
corn
a,
dog.
yeah, right? So you're just gonna put it here until, you know, it form brown golden crust.
Until it cooks.
No, don't cook it here.
Don't cook it here?
No, you wanna finish it off in the oven,
Oh,
right?
oh.
So luckily I do my homework,
Yes.
right? So we already have something in the oven.
You have it in the oven.
Right? Because I wanted to like show off to Mr. Rome here now, you know, I'm like big celebrity and thing, you know. I mean, after meeting Maya and them, it's like, who am I?
Yo, Myles. I get to meet Myles. The famous...
The famous Chef Myles.
Yeah, all right, Mama Guy Mina, yeah, I love that. All right, okay, so let me just put a touch of love in my plating. Right.
Oh, so this is the final product after...
Yeah, so we finish it off in the oven. So this is how it's gonna look.
Okay.
You see how like there's like some brown crust and everything going on?
Yeah.
And guys, you can actually get the recipe in trinicooks.com. Make sure to check it out because it's there, right?
So what are all these? This is like...
Yo, those are the ingredients.
What that
for
cake
there.
went in it?
Yes.
So this looks like a kind of guacamole.
Yeah, all right, so here it is now. You see it's a surprise, right? So this is my avocado plantain relish. Are you seeing it properly?
Looks good.
It looks good too. It tastes good too.
It tastes good too.
Right.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna plate it for you nicely here. You wanna take that off?
I'm watching it.
All right, okay, cool.
I'm watching it. This is mine.
All right,
So
very
I'm
nice.
seeing you only have one plate there. I am a little hungry as well.
Right. Are you allergic to anything though?
No, Roman,
I'm allergic to a little bit.
Oh. Okay. Cool. All right.
Not a little bit, sir.
No.
Get clear.
Whoa, because I'm like, what's going on here? Is that allowed? Right, so we're just gonna put like this on top. Right. Then we're gonna put our jerk ranch, which of
So
course,
this is jerk ranch, as
Yes.
in like ranch dressing
yeah,
with the jerk.
with jerk,
with
yeah,
the Grace Jerk seasoning.
yes.
Wow.
So you're just gonna put like a touch of love there. You know what? Let me give you extra love, right?
Extra love with all this.
Yes, and some crumbles on top.
And what type
This
of
is
crumbles
yeah, it's onion. It's onion crisp.
Onion.
Yes. And can you give me like a next spoon?
What type of spoon do you want?
Any kind of spoon is fine. Yeah.
Spoons are right here, Miles.
Oh my gosh, he's amazing.
Yeah.
Right. And this is paprika oil. So it's like it's always nice to have like paprika oil and everything just to like be fancy. So if you want to like to show off with your woman, make sure you always have paprika oil. that is really the secret.
Do you rub it on
No, you don't rub it to anything. You drizzle it.
Don't rub it on your woman. Drizzle it.
drizzle it on her or on the plate?
Anything you want to do.
Right.
I know it's after dark.
Jerk
It's
is
after
It's
dark.
Joe after dark. That is allowed.
Jerk Beef Kofta. Could see the folks at Grace Jerk Seasoning. Rome, tell me how it's tasting there. So let me know if I should eat my own.
I try to eat it fancy because it's looking fancy, but it's looking out.
Because you could also skewer and
Yeah,
take
just
a bite.
like bite it, you know.
Yeah. I like the skewer idea.
Right.
Spicy?
You definitely taste the jerk seasoning.
Yeah.
It's spicy.
It's very strong, very
Yeah,
flavorful.
I really love like how it's very tasty.
Yeah, very
and it
flavorful.
goes with everything.
I like that the avocados and the plantains kind of counteracting
Hey,
the spicy.
you're so like a foodie there. You're so. Couple draw after that. I want to thank Chef Myles for dropping by. Chef Myles, hopefully you'll come by a little more often, huh?
Yeah, hopefully.
Yeah. Why you staying away from us so?
Boy, I don't know now.
Rome is in the building and he is hungry. He is leaving happy. Still much more. Don't eat out
Give
too
me a
much,
bounce
Rome.
there.
We have much more to come. Stay with us. This is
Yeah,
Cup of Joe After Dark, and we are jamming with UTT Contemporary Band.